Hi, this is Mark Willows from Clocks for Classics, and this is just a short video to talk about the polarity sensitivity of these Smiths and Jaeger car clocks. Now, quite a few people have asked me whether it matters if you take a clock that was originally for a positive earth car and you change the polarity of the car to negative earth, something people quite often do so they can fit an alternator or a radio or whatever. Well, the answer is yes, usually it does matter. Some of the very early clocks, you could in fact fit them to either positive or negative earth cars, but in the majority of cases the clock will be damaged if you change the polarity. Now it's probably worth just having a quick look to see why that's the case, and I have here the movement of one of these clocks partly disassembled, and if you look here you can see this plastic housing, and inside that housing is a small diode. You might not recognise it, it's just a small plastic disc. You can probably just about see it there. A small metal disc, I should say. Now the reason that diode was put there was to try and improve the life of the contacts which are used in these clocks, and these contacts are really the main bugbear of these movements. The contacts quickly wear out and fail. But if you take one of these clocks and turn it the wrong way round, what happens is that diode will get very hot, and in fact if you look at this clock you can see that's exactly what's happened in the past sometime, and it's got so hot that it's melted all the plastic housing around there. You might also find that your clock has a fuse on the back, a sort of fuse link. That's this part here, and very often that's broken, and usually the reason for that is that somebody has connected the clock the wrong way round, so that's another sure sign that this has happened. So what can we do about this? Well, if you look at some of our other videos you'll see that we supply a kit, and in that kit is a circuit board which fits inside the clock. This is the circuit board here, and the function of that circuit board is actually to cure the problem with the contacts. It replaces those contacts and makes the clock much more reliable. But one of the added benefits of our circuit is that on our latest circuit boards they're what we call dual polarity, so that once you've fitted the circuit board to the clock will then work on either a positive or a negative earth car without any other modifications. And if you'd like to see that, you can see that on this movement here that's been running in the background, and as you can see at the moment this movement is connected so that the red lead, the positive lead, is on the body of the clock, and so it's as if it would be connected to a positive earth car. Now if I just disconnect that a moment, obviously the clock's going to stop now, and if you take a look inside you can see how our circuit board has been fitted inside there. And what I'm going to do now is just reconnect the clock the other way around. So I'm going to put the positive lead onto the connector, and I'm going to put the negative lead onto the body of the clock. So this is how it would be connected if you had converted your car to negative earth. And it's just going to connect it up now, and you can see it's starting up straight away. So this clock, having been converted with the Clocks for Classics kit, is now suitable for either a positive or negative earth car.